Let us introduce SDLG, a construction equipment supplier and member of the Volvo Group since 2007. Our main manufacturing plant is in Linyi, China, strategically located between Shanghai and Beijing. In this plant that measures over 1,127,000 square meters, equal to 158 football fields, SDLG produces many types of construction machinery products, and around 40,000 machines leave the factory every year to markets all over the world. In modern and intelligent production lines, SDLG produces wheel loaders, backhoe loaders, excavators and road machinery, all in compliance with the Volvo production system.